Good afternoon. So it's kind of a rainy afternoon, and there really aren't any trash pickup routes going on right now. But I'm gonna drive around and see if I can find any stuff anyway. You know, on the route that's gonna be picked up next week, or the route that was supposed to be picked up last week. Let's call this trash picking for dregs and see what we find, if anything. There are definitely more piles out here than I thought there would be. And this one has a cord attached to like a carpet cleaner. I had one of these cleaners and it just never worked right. So it kind of gives me a cheap thrill to cut the cord off of them. Let's see what else we got here. Some kids' toys, blah de blah de blah. That's about it, but I'll take it. You'll never guess what I spotted in this next pile. Look, yet another KitchenAid mixer. That one's really dirty, so I'm gonna pick it up with my gloves. I gotta go get my gloves. The really dirty ones, they're kind of gross, so I'll just put them in the trunk, like right here. There it is, our scrap load. Wires, stainless, and a KitchenAid mixer. There's a scrapper in a giant van right there. Let's hope he doesn't take all the brake rotors before I have a chance to. Not that there were any brake rotors in that pile, but I'm sure there are some around town. To be honest, about 80% of trash picking is just waiting at red lights. Like this one. Nah, not really, I'm just kidding. It is definitely raining a little bit harder now, but I'm seeing a lot more piles than I thought I was gonna see. So I'm gonna stick it out for a while and see if maybe I can find something other than a dirty KitchenAid mixer. There are a decent number of scrappers who run this town. I only saw the one guy today, and he probably would have taken this whole grill. So what do you think? Grates in the grill? No grates in the grill. And let's see, what's in all these boxes? The nylon rope trick. Oh, you know what these are? They're like science experiments for science class in wet boxes. Yeah, I think we'll leave these here. No grates. It's too bad, man. Somebody snaked me to the grates. All right, this might be an opportunity to redeem myself. It's another grill. It's also a Nex grill. They must have been having a sale on those. What do you think? Grates? Oh my God. This thing's been cleaned out. It's 2 in a row. Strike 2. All right. Is this gonna be the third strike? All right, Kenmore grill. Open it up. Grates. I don't know why I'm so excited about this, because these are really kind of lightweight grates. I mean, what's that, like 12 pounds at 5 cents a pound? 50, 60 pounds? I mean, 50, 60 cents. It's just like the thrill of the hunt, I guess. Especially after we got dissed those last 2 times. So, I am going to open the trunk and add these grates to our ever-expanding scrap pile. Let's find another pair of grates. And no more KitchenAid mixers. I hate those things. How inconvenient would it have been if I didn't notice that my fuel tank is empty and I need gas? So let's go get gas. Where I live in New York, gas is like $2.19 a gallon, but here outside of Seattle at this Mobile Mart, oh my God, it's $2.79 for regular. Get with the program, Washington State. There, I got a quarter of a tank. You really think I'm gonna fill up at $2.79 a gallon? That's crazy. It is about time that we found some piles, because I've been driving around for a while now, and let's see what we got here. All right, let's see what we got. I suppose I should take this snowblower It looks pretty clean, but it also looks like someone tore it apart. So that's not a good sign. So I'm not going to take that. 3-ring binders, nope. Man, look at these cool bikes. The Schwinn Locket. And the Huffy aqua blue something or other. And then the recycles. Yeah, I thought this pile had potential, but other than this toilet seat and this broken snow shovel, we are coming up empty. Let's get back in the Camry then. So the rain has subsided, which is awesome, because rain kind of sucks when you're out doing this stuff. And I just saw a really cool thing in this pile right here. This is a cast iron pump. And I was kind of wondering why they threw it away. And they threw it away because it's broken. But I happen to have another cast iron pump at home that isn't broken, except the handle is broken. So maybe between the two, I can make one that's intact. So that's cool. Let me throw that in the trunk. Of course, I gotta hope that the handle doesn't break off in the trunk. Don't throw any brake rotors on it. And this thing's in rough shape. They fixed it with tape. That's crazy. All right. I got the car in reverse right now because I think I might have just seen something. Maybe not. We're gonna try it out. Over here at this pile, I saw a corner poking out of this bag. Yeah, all right. What I was hoping is that maybe this would be like some LP records in there, but it's not. It's just like some shelving. See that? See the shelving there? All right. False alarm, no LP records. All right, so, whoa. I forgot to set the parking brake, and now my car is rolling down the street. That's embarrassing. And dangerous. So, along with the theme of trash picking for dregs, look at this old ass vacuum cleaner. Like the cord winder doesn't even really work anymore. That's crazy. Usually these cord winders are just so, so springy. Let's get the whole cord out of it. And then we can cut that. Sometimes they do that late at night and it's really frightening, thinking the people are gonna wake up. All right, did we get anything here? This crappy vacuum cleaner cord from this 100-year-old vacuum. It's a cool looking vacuum though. I can just picture, being like some housewife in the 60s, lugging this thing along, vacuuming the rugs, watching Days of Our Lives. Memories. So what do you think? Is there going to be anything good in this pile? The only reason I stopped is because it's got this chest set sitting on top of the box. But that is not a good chest set. That's like just kind of cheap junk. I don't want to spill it though. Then in here, a few dominoes. How many dominoes makes a whole set? All right, I'm sorry I've wasted your time with this pile. Should we go through the garbage bags? Oh no, we shouldn't. Well, we are at the last pile on the last street in town. And I'm gonna grab these barbecue grates. These aren't great grates, but they weigh a little something something. And they might be stainless, who knows. So, this is the load we got today. I've been driving around for about 3 hours now. And we got the KitchenAid mixer, some grates, the pump, and I don't remember if we got that orange cord here or somewhere else. So Today's one of those days where I didn't even make my gas money back, especially at $2.79 a gallon. Oh my God, highway robbery over at Mobile. But the one way that you can guarantee that you make nothing is to stay home. So if my options are to come out and cruise around and look through the dregs and see if I can find anything, or to stay home, I'm coming out. And I'm glad you came out with me. So until next time, thanks for watching.